Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have an HTML page and an icon image. Start by organizing them. Move the icon into a predictable folder, Assets or Images, so paths stay simple. Then, open your HTML head and add a link element, rel equals icon, href pointing to the file, and type matching the image format. This tells browsers what to load. Once done, include sizes when you have multiple variants. It helps the browser choose the best resolution for different devices and displays. Next, add alternate link tags so browsers and platforms pick the right format. Use PNGs and ICOs for compatibility. Add an SVG if you want a scalable option. For legacy browsers, include rel equals shortcut icon alongside rel equals icon. Some agents still check the older value. Also add an Apple Touch icon with rel equals Apple Touch icon and size 180x180 when targeting iOS. Make sure file names and paths match exactly, because incorrect paths are the most common issue. Finally, deploy your updated HTML and verify the icon appears. Browsers cache favicons aggressively. Clear the cache or use a hard reload to see changes. If it still fails, inspect the Network tab for 404 errors and confirm the server sends the right content type header, image/PNG, image/xicon, or image/SVG plus XML. If your page uses a base href, adjust link href to an absolute URL or correct relative path. One key troubleshooting tip: clearing cache usually fixes stale icons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.